Tired of Bybit fees eating into your crypto profits? Let's dive into practical strategies to minimize those trading expenses on Bybit, ensuring you keep more of your hard-earned gains. First up, level up your Bybit VIP status. Navigate to the Accounts tab on your Bybit account. Higher VIP levels unlock significantly lower fees. So aim to increase your trading volume or hold more BIT tokens to climb the tiers. Don't underestimate the power of referrals. Bybit's referral program offers fee discounts for both you and your friends when they sign up using your link. Share your referral link widely to benefit from these reduced fees. Understanding Bybit's fee structure is crucial. Market makers, who provide liquidity by placing limit orders that aren't immediately filled, often pay lower fees than market takers, who fill existing orders. So, utilize limit orders instead of market orders whenever possible to qualify for these maker rebates or reduce fees. Holding and using BIT, Bybit's native token, can also cut down fees. Bybit often offers discounts for users who pay their trading fees using BIT. Check for ongoing promotions and consider converting some of your holdings to BIT for fee reductions. By implementing these strategies, Euro boosting your VIP level, leveraging referrals, understanding the fee structure, and utilizing BIT Euro, you'll be well on your way to significantly reducing your Bybit trading fees and maximizing your crypto profits. Happy trading!